Today we'll go ahead with problems of permutation and combination. All of you know NCR is NC n minus R. So that is 12 into 11 divided by question paper has 12 questions and the 12 questions are divided into two parts. In part A 7 questions, part B 5 questions. 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. 3C3 is 1. So out of 8 Americans, 3 can be selected in 8C3. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with problems of permutation and combination. A box contains 5 red, 4 black, 3 white balls. We have total 5 red balls and they gave 4 black balls and 3 white balls. This is given. 3 white balls. How many selections of 8 balls? They want you to select what? Select how many? 8 balls can be made. See now, first part, selecting 8 balls. 8 balls. See, total how many you have? Total I have 5 plus 4 plus 3. 5 plus 4 plus 3 is all the colored balls I am adding. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. Out of 12 balls, selecting 8 balls is equal to 12C8. Total number of selections. 12C8 is same as 12C2. All of you know NCR is NC n minus R. So that is 12 into 11 divided by 2 into 1. That is 66. You can select 66 ways of any 8 balls. So now this is total if they don't give restriction, but this is not the question. So if they don't give, they are told how many ways 8 balls can be selected if selection contains 4 red from 5 and 2 black from 4 and 2 white from 3. So now number of ways of selecting. Number of selections. So they want 4 red balls from 5 red balls. 4 red balls from 5 red balls can be selected as 5C4. Out of 5 red, I am selecting 4 into 2 black from 4 black balls. From 4, I am selecting 2. Then they want 2 white balls from 3. 2 from 3. So that is 3C2. This is the total number of selections. So you know NCR, always use this so the length reduces. NCR is NC n minus R. So 5C4 is 5C, 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 4C2, let it be 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. 3C2, 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 1. 5C1 is 5. So I can simplify 5 into 2 1s are 2, 2s are 2 3s are 6. Then 2 cancels into 3. 5 6 is 30, 33 is 90. So answer for this is what? Total how many ways? 90 ways. Hope all of you understood. NCR, what is NCR? NCR means selecting R items, selecting R things from N things. From N things. So now out of 5 red balls, 4 balls can be selected in 5C4 ways. Out of 4 black balls, 2 blacks can be selected from 4C2 ways. And out of 3 white balls, you have to select 2 in 3C2 ways. So total 4 plus 2 plus 2, 8 balls you have selected. 90 total ways are there. Same, 5 red, 4 black, 3 white. How many ways you can select? So that 8 balls you should select. At least 3 red. See, we have red, then we have a total, how many red are there? Okay, red, then we have black, then we have white. So 3 different colored balls we have, and they want at least 3, and you know they gave 5 red. Total how many red? 5 red are there, 4 black are there, and 3 white are there. So now how many ways you can select? At least 1 white ball can be selected in the following. So now at least 3 red. red, black and red, black and white we have. So now the question is at least 3 red and at least 3 black and at least 1 white. At least 3 red, at least 3 black, that's what, right? Yes. At least 1 white. If I take only 1 here, total number of balls selected should become 8. So 3 plus 3 is what? 6. I will take 2. Or I will take at least 1 red, 3 red means I can, other combination is what? Other, so at least means 3 or more. 4 if I take here. Here if I take 3 here, 4 plus 3 7, 1 I can take here. Or I will take 4 here. Here also I will take 2 and 2. This is one combination. I will take, see 4 plus 2 plus 2, 5 balls if I take here. Here it will become, see the second combination is not possible. Why? Because at least 3 white. At least, see both should be at least 3. Both should be at least 3 means I cannot take, so this is 4. If I take 4 here, I can take 3 here, 1 here. Suppose if I take 5 here, suppose this is not possible. 5 if I take here, here I cannot take 0 and here I cannot take more than less than this. 5 to 1 is not possible because 2 cannot, at least 3 should be there. Or sir, if I take 3 and 0, this is also not possible. This should be at least 1. So only 2 possibilities. Only 2 possibilities. One is 3 to 2 and this. So now for this, what is the format? For this, what is the format? 3 red balls you have to select. You know there are total 5 red balls. There are 4 black balls and 3 white balls. Out of 3 red, out of 5 red, for this case, out of 5 red, 3 reds can be selected in 5C3 ways into, out of 4C3 into 3C2. This is one combination. Simplify this. You will get a number. 5C3 is what? 5 into 4 divided by 4 into 5C3 is same as 5C2. 2 into 1. 4C3 is same as 4C1. 3C2 is same as 3C1. So now 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40, 43 is 120. So one case we got 120. Other case, so the second case. Out of 5, you can select 4 in 5C4 ways. Out of 4, select 3 in 4C3 ways. Out of 3, 1 can be selected in 3C1 ways. 4C5 is 5C4 is same as 5C1, that is 5. 4C3 is 4C1, that is 4. 3C1 is 3. 5 4s are 23 is 60. Total we have 180 ways. Sorry, yes, 180 ways. If you add 120 plus 60. I hope all of you got this. So one is here, one is what? 5 red only, 3 red. 5 red gives you 3 red in 5C3. Got this. So this is the total number of ways. 5 to the 10, 10 4 is 40. 4C3 is same as 4C1. 4C1 means 4. 3C2 is same as 3C1, 3. So 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40, 43 is 120, 5 4s are 20, 23 is 60, 120, 60 is 180. An examination paper contains 12 questions. In the paper we have 12 questions. Divided into part A and part B. 2 parts are there. 12 questions are divided into part A and part B. And 5 questions, see now. A contains 7 questions. In A we have 7 questions. B contains 5 questions. B contains 5 questions. Question paper has 12 questions and the 12 questions are divided into 2 parts. In part A 7 questions, part B 5 questions. A candidate has to answer 8 questions. So total you should answer, you should select 8 questions and selecting at least 3. Selecting at least 3 from each part. Selecting at least 3 from each part. Part A we have 7 questions. Part B, see, part A we have 7 questions. Part B we have 5 questions. At least 3 you should select. Here if I take select, if I select totally 8 questions you should select. 3 means 5 here. Here if I take 4, here I should select again 4. Here if I take 5, I should select 3. Here if I take 6, I can tell 2. I cannot take 2 because both at least 3 should be there. These are the possibilities. So select 3 here, 5 here, or 4 here, 4 here, or 5 here, 3 here. Or if I take 6 here, it will become 2. But both should contain at least 3. At least 3 means 3 or more. So now this will become, so this is out of 7. out of 7, 3 can be selected in 7C3 into, out of 5, 5 can be selected in 5C5, and this is out of 7, 7C4 into 5C4, and out of 7, 5 can be selected in 7C5, out of 5, 5C3. Now simplify. So 7C3, 5C5, 7C3 into 5C5, that is 7 into 7C3, 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. 5C5 is 1. 3 2s are 6 and 6 cancels. 7 5s are 35. So this is 35. Then 7C4, 5C4. 7C4, 5C4. 7C4 means 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5C4 is same as 5C1. 5C1 is 5. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 cancels. 4 and 4 cancels. So 5 5s are 25. 25 into 7, 175. Then 7C5, 5C3. 7C5, 5C3. 7C5, 5C3. 7C5 is same as 7C2. 7 minus 2. So 7, 6 divided by 2 into 1. 5C3 is same as 5C2. 5, 4 divided by 2, 1. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. 2 1s are 2 2s are. 5 2s are 10. 7 3s are 21. 21 into 10, 210. So add all, you'll get the required result. So 200, 300, 370, 400, 410, 420. See, out of 7, 3 can be selected in 7C3, 5C5, 7C3, 5C, 7C3, 5C5. Add adre 8 barbeku, 4, 4, 5, 3. So now 7C3 means from 7, 3 terms, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. 5C5, if these two are same, answer is 1. 7, 5 is 35, that's it. 7C4, 5C4 means 7 minus 4, it is 7C3 also you can take. But I have taken out 7C4, 7, 4 terms, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 4, 4 cancels. 3 2 is 6, 6 cancels. 7, 5 is 35, 35 into 5. And then 5, 7C5, 5C3, that's it. So I hope all of you understood this. Next we have, a man has 10 relatives. 4 of them are ladies. So ladies 4 and 3 gentlemen. So gentlemen 3 and 3 children. Children 3. So how many ways he can relate? So total we have 10 relatives. 7 he has to invite. He has to invite how many? 10. 7. Should invite 7. So that the conditions are, there are exactly 2 ladies, 3 gentlemen, 2 children. First case is, so ladies we have 4, but he should invite exactly how many? 2. Second case, gentlemen, see exactly 2 ladies, 3 gentlemen. So he has to invite only 3 gentlemen out of all 3 gentlemen. Then children, 2 children he has to invite out of 3 children. So now out of 4, 2 can be selected in 4C2. Out of 3, 3 can be selected in 3C3, 3C2. 4C2 is what? 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. 3C3 is 1. 3C2 is what? 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 1. 2 1s are 2 2s are. 2 cancels. So 3 2s are 6 into 3. 18 ways. So 18 different ways you can invite. 3 2s are 6, 3 is 18. 18 ways are possible. Next. Same. So we have, they have given ladies, gentlemen, children. The possibilities are, so 10 relatives, 4 children, 4 ladies, 3 gentlemen, and same question, that is how many children? 3 children, 3 gentlemen. This is total. 4 ladies are there, 3 gentlemen are there, and 3 children are there. And he has to invite 7 again, and 2 gentlemen exactly, at least 3 ladies. 2 gentlemen, gentlemen is fixed. 3 ladies, at least 3, at least 3. 3 or more. So total he should invite how many? How many ways he can invite 7 relatives? 3 plus 2 is 6. Still I want one more. So I'll invite one child. So, and 2 gentlemen, this is fixed. At least 3 ladies means I can invite all 4 ladies. I can invite 4 ladies. 4 plus 2, 6. But I want, 3 plus 2, 5. Here 2 children I can invite. Because children there is no restriction. They have not mentioned. Exactly 2 gentlemen. I want 7. So 3 plus 2 plus 2 or exactly 2 gentlemen, or I can invite at least 3 gentlemen, at least 3 ladies means I can invite 4 ladies. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1. See, he has to invite, there is no restriction. And one more combination is he can invite 2 gentlemen, 5 ladies, and no children. Because they have not mentioned all. See, a man has 10 relatives, 4 out of them are ladies, 3 out of them are gentlemen, 3 out of them are children. How many ways he can invite 7 relatives? So that 2 gentlemen and 3 ladies are must. At least 3 ladies, 3 or 4 ladies, 3 or more than 3 ladies. But gentleman has to be 2, and these are the possibilities. 3, 2, 2, total is 7, 4 to 1 or 5 to 1. Now, first case is what? Out of 4 ladies, 3 ladies can be selected in 4C3 ways, and 2 gentlemen, out of 3 gentlemen, 3C2, this is fixed. And out of 3 children, you can invite 2 children in 3C2 ways. You know 4C3 is same as 4C1, 4. 3C2 gives you 3. 3C2 again gives you 3. 4 3s are 12, 3s are 36. And case 2. Case 2 is what? Now I am done with the case 1. Case 2. 4 to 1. Out of 4 ladies, 4 ladies can be selected in 4 ways. And out of 3 gentlemen, 2 gentlemen, the middle value does not change, because exactly 2 gentlemen you should take. And children, one child I can invite. So 4C4 is 1, 3C2 is 3, 3C1 is 3, you can expand 3 3s and 9 ways. Now the last possibility is I'll invite 5 ladies and 2 gentlemen and no children. I'll not select any child. So 4C5 is 4C1, which is same as 4. Is this possible? Can I invite 5 ladies out of 4 ladies? We have 4 ladies, so we cannot. I hope all of you understood. We had only 4. From 4 I can't invite, so only 2 cases. The third case is not possible because we have only 4 ladies. From where I can get 5 ladies? So only 4 ladies are there. Maximum I can invite all 4. That's it. So 2 possibilities. Now total number of ways you add them. So I hope all of you got it. So ladies we have 4. Ladies 4 we have. Gentlemen we have 3. Children we have 3. And exactly 2 gentlemen. So I'll at least 3 ladies and remaining 1 more, because total I need 7. 3 to 1, or I'll take 4 ladies and 2 gentlemen, 6. Sorry, here 2 children, because I want total 7 relatives. 3 ladies plus 2 gentlemen plus 2 child and 1. These are the only 2 possibilities. I can't invite 5 ladies because we have only 4 ladies. So only these 2 cases. First case is what? Out of 4 ladies, 3 ladies can be selected in 4C3 ways. Out of 3 gentlemen, 2 gentlemen can be selected in 3C2 ways. Out of 3 children, 2 children can be invited in 3C2 ways. You know 4C3 same as 4, 3C2 is same as 3C1, that is 3, 3C2 is 3, 4 3s are 12, 3s are 36. Second case is what? Out of 4 ladies, all 4 can be invited in 4C4 ways. Out of 3, 2 can be invited like this. And out of 3 children, 1 child can be invited like this. 4C4 is 1, 3C2 is 3, and 3C1 is also 3. 3 3s and 9. So total is 36 plus 9, 45. Total 45 ways are there to invite the people for dinner. Then the other case, exactly 3 children, at last 1 lady. See, children, they give 3 children, exactly 3 they want. and at least one lady. Lady at least they want one, but we have total 4 ladies. Gentlemen 3. Same question. And okay, I'll write in the same order what we have done now. We have ladies, gentlemen, and child. So we know they have given how many ladies are given. Here 4 ladies are there, and 3 gentlemen are there, 3 children are there, and how many to invite? So to invite exactly 3 children. Children is fixed. This is fixed. At least one lady, at least one or more ladies. Remaining total invitees should be 7. Total you have to invite 7 people. 3 plus 1, 4 I have invited. Remaining 4 I have to invite, but I have only 3 gentlemen. So please observe, 3 children I have invited. At least one lady means one or more. If I invite one, then gentlemen will become see total 7. So 4 gentlemen I should invite, but I have how many gentlemen? So gentlemen given here, gentlemen available is 3 gentlemen. So this is only 3 maximum. So at least 2 ladies I have to invite. So now at least 2 gentlemen. No, they mentioned gentleman is also at least 2. So 2 lady, gentleman at least 2 or more. But lady I have to take 3 because total should be 7. And here the total children is fixed 3. Gentlemen, ladies 1 if I take, I have to take this more. More it's not possible because we have only 3 gentlemen. This is one combination. And if I take this 3, this will become 2. So they mentioned at least 1 lady, 3 ladies I will take, then 2 gentlemen and 3 children. And if I take this 4 ladies, this is fixed. And I will not take 4 plus 3 becomes 7. But at least 2 gentlemen, I cannot take this condition. 403 is not possible. So 233 and 323. I hope all of you understood. Simple. 3 minimum, 3 exact children I should take. Gentlemen should be at least 2 or more. If I take this 2, this I should take 2 or more. 2 or more, I will take 3. This is 2. At least 1 or more. Suppose if I take 1 exactly, 1 lady and 3 children, then remaining I should take 1 plus 3, 4. Again I should take all 3 gentlemen. But they told at least 2 gentlemen. So here you cannot change this column. This is fixed 3. This is 2, 3, 3, 2. And here if I make it 1, I should make it 4, which is not possible. Why? Because we don't have so many gentlemen. So what are the possibilities? Out of 4, 2 can be selected in 4C2. Out of 3, 3 can be selected in 3C3. Out of 3, 3 can be selected in 3C3. 4C2 is 4 into 4C2 is, I'll calculate separately. 4C2 is 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 to the 6 it is. 6 into 3C3 is 1, 1, 6. The case 2 is what? Out of 4, 3 can be selected in 4C3. Out of 3, 3 can be selected in 2. Out of 3, 3 can be selected in 4C3 is 1. 4C3 is 4C, 4 minus 1. 4C1, 4C1 is 4. 3C2 is 3. 3C3 is 1, 12. Total 18 ways. So these are the possibilities. Then a committee of 5 are to be formed from 8 Americans. So we have 8 Americans. And what else is given? 5 Anglo-Indians. 8 Americans and 5 Anglo-Indians. Then how many ways this committee can be formed? Exactly 2 Anglo-Indians. So total you have to form a committee of what? See, committee of 5. Committee should contain 5. You should form a committee of 5 out of 8 and 5. So, but every committee should contain exactly 2 Anglo-Indian. See, Americans we have 8. Anglo-Indians, AI I'll write. We have how many Anglo-Indians? 5. So this here exactly 2 I should select. Exactly 2 Anglo-Indians I should select. Remaining I should select Americans. Total should become this. So 3 I should select. So out of 8 Americans, 3 can be selected in 8C3 and 5 Anglo-Indians 2, because total is 5. This is the only possibility. 8C3 is 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. 5C2 is 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. Simplify this. 3 2s are 6, 6 cancels, 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel. So now 8 7s are 56, 56 into 10, 560. 560 ways are there to select. To select 5 members, 8 Americans and 8 Anglo-Indians. Out of 5 Anglo-Indians, 2 can be selected in 5C2 ways. That is 5 4 into 2 1, that will become 10. And out of 8 Americans, 3 Americans I have to select to form total committee. 3 plus 2, 5 members I should select. So 2 already you selected Anglo-Indians. Remaining 3 you select from Americans. So 8 7 6 divided by 3 to 1, 6 6 cancels. At least 2 Anglo-Indians. See, Americans, Anglo-Indians. So here they mentioned at least 2 Anglo-Indians, means 2 Anglo-Indians are more than 2. Here if I select 2, here I should select 3. Here if I select 3, here I should select 2. Here if I select, how many Anglo-Indians I have? 5 Anglo-Indians are there. Here if I select 4, here I should select 1. Here if I select all 5 if I select Anglo-Indians, no need to select Americans. So a committee of 5 members has to be formed from 8 Americans. 5, how many ways this can be done? That's it. So now first, total Americans, how many Americans are there? So they mentioned 8 Americans are there, right? How many Americans are? Exactly 8. Anglo-Indians are exactly 5. So out of 8, first 8C3 into 5C2. Select 3 Americans, 2 Anglo-Indians. 8C3 is same as 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. 6 6 cancels. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 8 7s are 56, 560. First case is done. Second case, out of 8 Americans, select 2 Americans. Out of 5 Anglo-Indians, select 3 Anglo-Indians. 8C2 is 8 into 7 divided by 2 into 1. 5C3 is 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Or we cannot have taken, so 3 3 cancels, 1s are 2s are, 2 1s are 2 4s are, 7 4s are 28, 280. Out of 8 Americans, 1 American I'll select and 4 Anglo-Indians I select, because they told at least 2 Anglo-Indians, 2 or more Anglo-Indians. That is the condition. Remaining, they have not given any restriction for Americans. So 8C1 is 8 and 5C4 will become 540. Then I'll select no Americans. I'll select all 5 Anglo-Indians. So 8C1 0 and this is 1, only 1. Add them. So 500, 700, 740. 740 plus 80, 820, 820 plus 60, 880. This many ways are possible. I hope all of you understood this. So today I have done problems based on combination, that is selection. I hope all of you understood. Please sit and practice this. NCR means selecting R things from N things. So we have done so many problems. Please sit and practice. Thanks for attending. Thank you.